Hey everybody, just thought I'd pass along this tip. It's really handy. I use acetone out in the garage all the time. And normally I buy it in like these big, hold on, where is it? I buy it in these, used to be 4 liter, now they're 3.78 liter shrinkage cans. The larger quantities you buy it in, the cheaper it is. And then I generally pour it into this container that I've had for a few years. You spill a lot with that. I found it's really handy. These are old. These ones were Kool-Aid concentrate drink mix that you can buy at the grocery store. There's Kool-Aid, Mio, all sorts of different flavored fruit drinks and stuff. And you just fill your glass with water, squirt a bit of it in, and there you go. I had an excess of these, and I thought, a few years ago I did this. Marked it with acetone so I'd know what it was. My wife liked the idea so much that she has one of them she keeps in the house. Acetone is great in the shop or the house for removing glue residue, tape residue, paint over spray, all sorts of things. And it's really handy when you use these little squirt bottles. You can just, see what I mean? Just spray enough that you need and just enough to sniff it and get high and all brain damage yourself. So yeah, they're easy enough. All you got to do, I found they're all the same, the Mio, the different brands. They might be a slight different shape, but they're the same. They open the same. I used to take the screwdriver thingy and pry them open. Then I realized you don't got to do that. You can just twist them. Give them a good rinse out because they rinse right out clean. These are either red or purple because I only drink cherry or grape juice mostly. That's what I drink. Don't at me. So yeah, so you just twist them, turn them. You can try freehand. I'm gonna use a funnel. I'll top that one up. Now you might want to put down something that'll soak it up if you spill, because you might not, again, you might be smarter than I, more coordinated than I, all sorts of things better than I. But I tend to spill things, so I'll just put that down for now. This one doesn't need much. Remember, acetone is extremely flammable, especially the vapors, so don't do this around an open flame. You don't have to fill them right to the top either. I mean, a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, I'll keep this one full. Lids on them. These are both about 3/4 full. I could have went all the way full. Doesn't really matter. Just top them up as needed. And I still got lots in there. And I don't have to worry about this stupid thing. There you go, the funnel. Make sure you're using a clean funnel. I cleaned this one out good before I used it. Guys, if you're using acetone for cleaning up pre-paint stuff, you don't want to be smearing whatever was in the funnel before you poured the acetone through it into the bottle. Another good tip is to do as I've done here. As you can see, it wipes off as soon as you spill it. Acetone will take that right off, like Gonzo Alonzo. So you can try different things to write on there. I just keep a felt pen and just keep, they don't leak, so they're easy to keep around. You know, just write a big A on them for acetone. Not that anybody's going to think this is Kool-Aid and go putting it in their drink, but the reason I'm doing more of them is because every time I go to use it, it's not where I am. It's over. If I'm at the workbench, see, I'll just put this over there. I'll put one over by on my new mouth today, I guess. I'll put this over on my toolbox. I'll take the other one and I'll put it, I don't know, I'll put it somewhere. I don't know. Maybe over by the welding table. Not directly in harm's way, but it's good for cleaning off things you're about to weld, especially MIG welding. Is the cleaner the better. Acetone's a great pre-weld cleaner. So there you go. Not a big deal, not anything earth-shattering, certainly not a game changer, not thinking outside of the box, not, I don't know, any of those other catchy phrases that people use. Just a handy little hint, and I thought I'd pass it along to you guys. Acetone in little juice bottles. Squirts great. Look at that. You can close it up. Keep them all over the place. Put them in the bathroom, the linen closet, and the rec room, the garage, the glove box, the kitchen under the stove, anywhere. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Take care. Have a great day.